I work for a firm that does accounting. I'm the accounts manager, so I'm not a qualified accountant. I work for the qualified accountant. So any advice I give you, don't take it as financial advice, because I'm not a qualified financial advisor, and don't take it as taxation advice, because I'm not a qualified tax advisor. Okay? Any information I'm giving you is just from my general knowledge. If you would like to speak to an actual accountant for financial advice or taxation advice, please contact any tax advisors, or you can contact our company. Okay, so how much tax how much tax how much tax you have to pay all depends on how much money or how much profit you make, and also if you do another part-time or full-time job. Okay, so how it basically works is every person in the UK, okay, gets £12,500 tax-free allowance. Okay, so the first £12,500 you receive in profits or employment, however you make it, it is tax-free. You don't have to pay any tax on it. Anything after £12,500, you have to pay 20% tax on it. Now, in the case of Uber drivers and deliveroo riders or anyone self-employed, the first £12,500 profit is tax-free. Okay? Anything after that is taxable. Now, you may be thinking, well, what about if I make £20,000? Now, £20,000 is turnover. Okay? It's not going to be your profit. Or if £20,000 is your turnover, meaning that's how much money you made before taking away your petrol, before taking away your expenses such as petrol, insurance, and maintenance costs, or whatever costs they are, whatever eligible costs they are that you're allowed to take off. That's £20,000 is the before. So basically, after you minus all of that, for example, you may be left with a total profit of £16,000 now. Okay, so you don't pay tax on £16,000 because the first £12,500 is tax-free, remember? Okay? Yeah? So let's get a calculator out. So £16,000 profit, take away £12,500. So if you make £16,000 profit and you have no other full-time or part-time jobs, you are only self-employed, okay, you will pay tax on £3,500. Okay? So you will pay 20% of £3,500. Okay? Yeah. So divided by 100 times 20%, about £700 tax for £3,500. Sorry, if you're getting taxed on £3,500. Yeah. So you pay about £700 tax if you make about £16,000 profit. Okay? Yeah. So does that make sense? £700. Yeah. All right. On top of that, you may have to pay national insurance. There are a few classes depending on how much you turn over and stuff. Yeah. A separate matter. If you would like to know how much national insurance you may have to pay, look for other videos. Okay, but in general, guys, you know, if you would like more help and advice, or in general, guys, if you would like more free information and advice, send us a message, or why not call our company? Call our company and speak to a qualified accountant. Thank you, and thank you very much for tuning in. Please like and subscribe.